Audible po. Okay. So nangangalahati na ako sa section nyo, konti na lang. Announce ko na po kung sino yung ano. Ito na lang. Konti na lang siya. Ito na yung natapos ko ngayon umaga pa lang. Ito. Kalahati na ako sa section nyo. Meron akong makitang 40 plus na mataas, pero wala pa pong nakaka-perfect. Check ko pa po, baka nandito pa sa next batch. So we have topic for discussion right now is the transition diagrams for RELOPS. So for transition diagram for RELOPS, we have a transition diagram or the state diagram. For relational operators, RELOPS typically shows states and transitions. Involves in parsing, recognizing relational operators in programming languages. Relational operators are symbols compared to the two values such as the double equal sign, exclamation point, or the n equal sign, less than equal, and then greater than equal po. Here's some simple example for transition diagram for relational operators. The start state po is 0. From start 0 po is encountering with equal sign. So it will be, the transition state will be moved to S1. And then from S0 po encountering with exclamation point, there is a transition to state to S2. And if the S0 encountering the less than, it will be moved to the transition state of S3. And then from S0, on encountering it on the greater than, it will be moved to transition state of S4. And then for the second step po is the state 1. From S1, on encountering the equal sign on transition state of S5, recognizing the double equal will be moved po. Pag S1, na ito po single equal sign, it will be the S1. Pero kapag transition po na meron po siyang dalawang equal sign, it will be moved to S5. Okay po. If no further valid character encountered, equal sign is not valid relation operator on its own. So it will be more an error state na po yun. Next po is this S state S2. From S2 encountering that equal sign transition to state the S6, recognizing exclamation equal sign, it will be moved to S6 po. Then, if no further valid characters encountered, it is not valid relational operator on its own. So, it will be an error state po if not a valid character. Then, for S3, on the state S3, from the S3 po encountering the equal sign, the transition will be moved to S7 with recognizing the less than equal sign. If no further valid character is encountered, remain on the state S3 as recognizing less than. On the S state 4 po, it will be from S state 4 encountering the transition equal sign. The transition state will be on S8 with keyword po na greater than equal po. If no further valid characters encountered, remain on the state S4. So the final state will recognize like this. For S5, recognize a double equal sign. S6 po is exclamation with equal sign. For recognize for S7 po, it will be less than equal. Then for S8 po, it will be greater than equal. Kung babalik po, it will be the S3 po, S4 will be less than an equal sign po. Here's the representation of the diagram, how it will be interpreted po on the transition diagram for relapse. So it will start from S0. All the signs are here for equal sign, exclamation, less than and equal. So it will be represent the S1 to until S4 as normal po. To move on the S5 po, so magiging double equal sign. Paparehasan po siya ng equal sign po ng S5, S6, S7, S8 po. So kung makita nyo dito, double na po yung equal sign. It will be proceed on S5. And then on the S6 po, it will be exclamation, equal sign. And then for less than equal po, it will be the S7 and then greater than equal S8 po. That's on the representation of diagrams for relapse. May questions po ba dito? Nasusundan? Okay. So the explanation on the relapse diagram, it will be the S0 will be the starting state. The S1 will be the intermediate state of starting encountering the equal sign. Also in the S2, it will be encountering the exclamation point. And then also on the S3 will be the state with encountering less than. S4 will be the encountering the greater than. Then S5 po will be the equal sign, double equal sign na. S6 will be the final state of recognizing the exclamation equal sign. And then the final state for recognizing less than equal, it will be the S7, and then greater than equal will be the S8 po. That's on the transition diagrams for relapse. Do you have questions po on the first topic? If no further po, just press heart sign. Kapag meron po, press thumbs down. So, nalilito? Ano class? So, wala kayong respond, ibig sabihin nalilito kayo. Ano pong clarification po para masagot po ni Sir Nelson? Balik po ako. Anyone? Los, ano yun? Bakit di man lang mag-reply? Mhm, mhm, mhm. Saki, ano po, may questions po? Wala. Oh, bakit di po mag-response? May questions po, clarification. Sabi ko po kung mayroong, kung walang questions, press heart sign po na emoji. Kung hindi po, kung may questions po, press thumbs down. Ano pong kasagutan niyo po? All good po ba tayo dito sa transition diagram for relapse po? Okay. Next po. So for transition diagram, there is the identifier. So here, so transition diagram for identifier. A transition diagram for identifier is a programming language typically for outlines. The state of transition involves recognizing invalid identifiers. The identifiers are names given in the variables, functions, and other entities of the program that usually follow the specific lexical rules. For simplicity, let's assume that the rules of the identifiers are start with letter of lower and uppercase of A to Z. And then the underscore po, that's on the start state po. Then followed by the any combination of the digits po from 0 to 9 po, and then underscore also. Here's a simple sample po transition diagram for identifier. Start state will be the S0, encountering with the upper and lower case of letter will be A to Z, and underscore 0 will be the transition to state S1. And then the state 1 po, from state 1 encountering the letter A to Z, upper and lower case, and the digit will be the 0 to 9, an underscore remains in the state of S1, recognizing the continuation of the identifiers. If no further valid character, if encountered, remained in the state S1, which is the accepting state for valid identifier po. That's on the state 1. And then, how it will be interpreted po, how it will be on the showing on the diagram. The S0 will be the letter and underscore. So this is the start, papunta po ng S1. So magiging S1 siya kasi may letter at underscore. If papunta na po ng S1, it will be remain S1. Nag-include lang po dito ng bago pong identifier will be the digit and underscore po. So explanation. The S0 will starting on the state and S1 will accepting for the valid identifier. Once the S1 is the state and remains the same for any subsequent letter, digits or underscore, that's on the proceeding of S1 po. And then detailed transition description. From S0 to S1, this transition occurs when the first character is letter or underscore. So ito po yung from S0 to S1, ang accept po is letter and underscore lang po. From S1 to S1, ang mangyayari po, transition occurs with any subsequent letter, digit, or underscore. So letter po, upper and lower case, and then the digit po. An example here below po, the identifier of, character of, VAR or the var, underscore 123. The transitions would be as follow po. It will start in S0, and then it will be read as letter po for VAR. The transition start with S1 po kasi from start 0 po, binasa po ito, character po ang VAR, it will be the letter. So it will proceed on stay on S1. Until mapoproceed na po sa underscore, it will be stay on the S1 also kasi mayroon po ditong letter N underscore. Then, nung nagkaroon na po siya ng digit po, magkakaroon siya ng S1 to S1 na connectivity po. So it will be the 1 will be the digit, 2 is the digit, and 3 is the digit po. It will be converted to S1 po. Lagi lang siya. Since the final state is S1, the var underscore 123 will be recognized it as a valid identifier. Kasi bakit po? Na-identified yung letter, na-identified yung underscore, at na-identified po yung digits po. Okay? Klaro? Nasusundan po. Lolo, isa lang? Okay. So for next topic na lang po natin itong transition diagram with white space. So we have our first quiz for today po. It's 1 to 15 quiz po. Ipipresent po na Sir Nelson. So it's 11:27. Matatapos po dapat ito ng 12 uh 12 p.m. Okay pa? Kasi naubos na oras natin. So I will post it for 30 minutes. So it's 1 to 15 items. Once I posted, you can start the ano po, your quiz for today po. Okay? Then we have our class participation and attendance po in the next couple of minutes po. Okay? Let me share it. That's for 30 minutes po. So until 12 p.m. po ito. Walang extension ha. Nandito na po kayo lahat. So ayusin po. 30 minutes for a quiz po. Just turn in kapag ano po ay pag done po, mag turn in. May ano po yan, submit. Baka makalimutan po ha. Wala po akong i-extend na. Okay? Sharing the screen of our quiz. Please do start now. Don't forget your attendance for today. Later on, we will check on it. If you have questions, just raise your hand po. Okay? I will off my cam. Then you can start your quiz po. Hi class. So it's 1 minute to go. Mhm. Meron bang hindi pa tapos po? Tingnan natin sino pa mga hindi pa tapos. Pa-submit po lahat ng ano, yung tapos na po. Wait lang. Ito pang hindi pa tapos po sa quiz natin. Agbolos, Duliabin. Nandiyan si Duliabin, di ba? Duliabin, ano yun na? Ang sasagot ka pa ba? Duliabin. Angelo Estrada, hindi pa tapos. Oh, missing na po ang tag. Malto, Marmeto, Navarro, Orgalino, Parani,
Sir, na-busy
Salgado.
po. Okay na po, kakatapos lang po.
How about the others po na naka-mention po dito? Siyampa. Anyone? Sino ba si Salgado? Piolo.
Sir, present po ako. Nasa school pa po kasi ako.
O, di wala kang quiz. Wala na magtitik ng quiz ha. Cut off na ng 12. Nasa school ka, nakinig ka ba sa discussion at nagpa-quiz ako? Start tayo for class participation po. Once I read the questions, it's done. You can raise your hand po using the on the GCR po. Okay? Question, wait lang. Nasaan ang question number 1? Share yung screen. Question number 1. Blank is a family of programming languages goes back conceived in 1958. Finally, implemented in 1961, making it the second oldest language still common use for after Fortran. Sarsilia.
Di po, sir.
Okay, correct. Sarsilia, wait lang po. Sarsilia. Next question. Lower down. Which is not basic data types of blips po? Bragas. Okay. So to correct on this po, no, meron po dito dalawang answers po. Numbers and false po. Okay? Bragas. Next po. 3. Number 3, lower all. LIP stands for a family of blank. For a family of computer programming language which were the first developed in 1950s. Pontepedra.
List processing po mo. Di po.
B. Final answer mo na yan?
Yes po, sir.
Correct. Cendric Pontepedra. Next po, lower all. Common lips is dialect of lips, true or false? Akinta,
True, sir.
correct. Akinta. Next po, lips can only use on particular type of application. Wait,
False po, sir.
correct. Wait, wait. Next po, number 6, lower all. Lips primary data and structure called list. It is also structure of programming syntax. Navarro.
True po.
Okay, correct. Navarro. Nakapag-quiz ka na ba, Navarro?
True po, sir. Nakahabol po.
Okay.
Okay.
Next po, lower all. Libs represent functions on call f for function x as fx. For example, CUS 45 is written on a CUS 45. True or false? Malate. Malate.
Hello, hello po, sir. True.
Final answer. Okay. Correct. Malate. Next po, lower all. The sample of Lip's expression CUS small letter or lowercase 45 or CUS for uppercase 45 are not the same. True or false? Mosquete.
False po, sir.
Correct. Same po siya dapat. Mosquete. Lower all. Lips tries to evaluate everything including the arguments of function. Only 3 types of elements are constant and always return their own value po. Silvestre. Okay, correct. Silvestre. Next po. This operation is more frequently used for analysis and phase. For example, the first half of the compiler where tokens are identified and names are stored in table. Mendoza.
Skip po.
Okay, correct. Insert. Mendoza. Next po. Lower all is a crucial data structures used on compilers and interpreters to store information about identifiers, such as the variable, functions, object, and etc. Used in program Avenue.
Letter A po.
Okay, correct.
Okay. Correct.
Avenue. It is symbol table. Lower all involves creating a program that reads input source code and converts into sequence of tokens. Each token represents the meaningful elements in source code, such as the keyword, identifiers, operators, and literals. Bunyol.
B po sir, analyzer.
Okay, correct. Bunyol. Last 2 questions. Lower all. The source code is broken down into tokens, which are smallest units of meaning, keywords, operators, and identifiers. Gaurana.
Letter A po, sir.
Okay, correct. Tokenization. Gaurana. Next po. Blank is fundamental part of lexical analysis and compilation process. Sarmiento.
A po, specifying tokens.
Okay, correct. Sarmiento. Sarmiento, nasan yung S? Next po, lower all. Regex stands for sakdalan.
Yes, sir.
Ano pong
Ay, ako
sagot?
po nasagot, sir.
Si Hari naman nawala. Oh,
Hello,
Reg,
hello, sir.
Regex stands for.
Regular expression, sir.
Okay, correct. Wala ka naman agad. Okay, wait lang po ha. Ready for attendance po. Once I call your name po, just say present and open your camera po. Before we start po sa ating ano po, no, we have our seminar po for fourth year and third year po. So kindly participate on that ano po, that event. It's from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. po. In preparation on your ano po, pag nasa labas na kayo, papunta kayo ng corporate world. So ano po ba mga dapat gagawin nyo during the uh, interview, paano po ba mag-update ng CV o tinatawag na curriculum vitae, paano po ang eye-to-eye contact, paano po ba ang proper posture, paano po ba how to apply online, ano po bang mga hinahanap na criteria, ano po ba dapat i-include sa laman ng CV, ano po ba dapat pag-background check ng mga a-applyan po na company na gusto mong pasukan, ano po bang mga needed na data or information na kailangan nyo po pag-aralan bago kayo interviewin. Also, how it will be the proper ano po bang time management nyo. For example, if you're scheduled on your interview on 2 p.m., ano po bang dapat etiquette nun? Paano po bang damit? Paano po bang makiusap? How to eye contact also. And some of your ano po, portfolio, if ever kung ano po bang bentahin mo po, if ever, 'di ba, pag gumawa ka ng sarili mong account on LinkedIn ID or Jobstreet account po. So dapat medyo catchy ang account mo po or makukuha ng mga using the word na hinahanap nila. Usually ang mga employer is hinahanap yung medyo mataas yung mga criteria for experiences, but some of the fresh graduate are welcome. So on your bago kayo ma-graduate po, so you have the idea how to handle the situation po. If ever may mga interview, how to handle the questions. Dapat may mga prospective ka na mga valid questions na isa-set po. So that's on the how it will be on the seminar on the personality development. So already provided po the link. Just click on the link po. As per advice, there is a raffle draw also para dun sa mga participants din also. So it's a 1 to 5 p.m. event by Tuesday, October 28 po. Pa-register na lang ang class. Okay? You can use your uniform po ha. Hindi naman po required na po, formal or anything po. Okay po? Plus participation. Ano yan? Asa naman kayo? ₱23. Pwede na po for attendance. Okay po, wait lang. Wait lang class ha. Wait lang class ha. Wait lang, class. Saan na yun? Okay. Let's start our attendance. So kindly open your camera once I call your name po, no? The scores was already provided po, imported na. So you can see your scores po. Alam ko nakita nyo na yung scores nyo pero already sync in po sa GCR nyo. Next po, attendance natin. Okay, let's start by last name po. Once I call your name, just say present and open your camera. Agbolos, Justin Matthew. Wala po. Akinta, Judimar.
Present, sir.
Arnais, Jana.
Present po.
Sakilay Avenue.
Present po, sir.
Jonelyn Avila III.
Present po.
Bragas, Iris. Anika.
po, sir.
Bunyol. Okay po.
Present po, sir.
Okay. Caballero.
Present po.
Canlas, Pia Teres.
Present po.
Jose De Castro.
Present po.
Prince Jabe Dulyabin. Dulyabin. Earl Vince Elioso. Mr. Elioso. Angelo Estrada.
Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Tag dito po, wala po ako cellphone pero present po. Sira po cellphone ko.
Mhm. Michael Jeff Fuentes.
Present po.
Aljem Gahuman.
Present po, sir.
Caitlin Kate Gaurana.
Sir, present po, Gaurana.
Genelaso Joseph.
Present po, sir.
Giliena Belia. Donna.
Present po.
Jacob Hernandez.
Present po, sir.
Angelo Huwit.
Sir, present po.
Ginary Lorico.
Present po, sir.
Hindi ko nag-turn in, ha? Ferdinand Mabalatan. Mabalatan. Arthur Bernard Malate.
Sir, present po.
Aaron John Malto.
Present po, sir.
Angelo Lan Manrique.
Present po, sir.
Jimuel Ivan Marmeto. Christian George Mendoza.
Present po.
Charles Joven Melflores.
Present po, sir.
Juan Saver Mosquete.
Present po.
Mark Anthony Napili.
Present po, sir.
Aliyah Eunice Navarro.
Present po.
Rona May Nerbiol.
Present po.
Verlene Jade Obina.
Present po.
Ocale Engelbert.
Present, sir.
Oliveros Mark Brian.
Present po.
Jarcy Orgalino. Jarcy. Piolo Parani.
Present po, sir.
Mark John Parcon. Mr. Parcon.
Parcon, present po, sir.
RG Piamonte.
Present po.
Cendric Pontepedra.
Present po, sir.
Kent Gabriel Kilaw.
Present po.
Aliyah Faye Kisana.
Present po.
Ramil Rait.
Present po, sir.
Mike Dexter Ribadulia.
Present po.
Depech Requilias.
Sir, present po.
Christian Refalde.
Present po.
Hurricane, Sakdalan.
Present, sir.
K. Erila Salgado. Kasama mo
Present
din.
po, sir.
Mhm. Ellie John Sarcilia.
Present po.
Maria Christine Sarmiento.
Present po.
Jiro Silvestre. Jaira Santa Ana.
Present po.
John Tapalia.
Present po, sir.
Dirk Jafer Torres.
Present po, sir.
Villardo.
Present po, sir.
Okay. Open your camera for attendance, then we can dismiss. October 23, 2025. Okay, nasa lang po yung iba? Ang dilim, Ramil, para ka namang nasa nuno sa punso. Ang dilim naman ng iyong kwarto. Okay. Asa pa na iba? Yan na lang? Wala lang ibang mag-open camera? Okay, let's start po. Capture po. First picture po. 1, 2, 3. Okay po. Wait lang. Second shot, ready po. Mag-register kayo class ha. For good naman po yung ano na yun. Seminar na yun po. Iklase po ba kayo nun? Araw na yun? Tuesday? Na naman. Sige po. Ready po. Second shot. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Atin po si Sir Nelson. Abot ko na rin po yung scantron niyo po. Tatapusin ko ngayon para maabot ko na po ang sa 4th year. Tapos kung sino po yung makakuha ng highest po o meron po naka-perfect. Meron pa po akong 15 na lang sa inyo po. Ito na lang. Checkan ko po. Tatapos na ako within today. Tapos post ko na po sa GCR anong score. Then, doon yung malalaman kung sino po makakuha ng consolation at yung ano po. Okay? I think that's all for today po. Then, gawin po yung assignment po. Meron po akong laboratory assignment na pinost po. Due date po ng Monday. Individual po iyon, ha? Pasuyo po. It's a C++ po. Okay po? Any question po? Any clarification? May kailangan po ba? Katanungan? Yes po, Mr. Malto.
Sir, regarding po sa quiz po, hindi po kasi ako nakapag-quiz. Kakadating ko lang po nung nag-checking na po. From Binyan po ako.
O nagbiyahe ka ba? Saan ka galing?
Galing po akong school, Binyan po yung inawian ko po, sir.
Wala kang data pag biyahe mo?
Wala po, sir.
Nagtatanong ako sa GC kung nasaan na kayo, di kayo nagre-respond.
Wala
kayo-
po akong phone, sir eh. Sira po yung phone ko pang ano.
Eh paano yun? Nag-class participation na tayo. Nagde-declare na ako ng mga sagot. Anong dapat gagawin natin nun?
Magre-retake po sana ng quiz.
Different set na lang ng quiz po. Hindi ko pwedeng i-retake mo yun kasi na-class participation na yun. I will advise na lang.
Sige po. Thank you.
Anything pa po? Others? Wala na po? Kung wala na, so thank you so much for your time po. Tapusin ko lang po itong test paper niya po. Bye everyone. Ingat po. See you on Monday.
Thank you po, sir.